Today is one of those days where the progress is impossible to ignore. A massive new section of the compression ring is now in place, and the structure is finally starting to reveal its true scale. Across the stadium, work is accelerating on multiple fronts, with new materials arriving and key areas moving faster than before. Let's get straight into the biggest update. A major highlight today is the installation of a new compression ring segment. This adds to a growing sequence of connected elements, with multiple segments now in place. The structure is expanding rapidly, supported by radial beams that are being installed in parallel. The scale of these components is becoming increasingly visible, and the overall ring is now clearly starting to take shape across the stadium. With continuous lifting operations and precise alignment work, this phase is progressing efficiently and is expected to accelerate further in the coming days. In the south goal corner near the tribuna, elevated platforms are active around previously installed supports. Workers appear to be preparing structural elements on the beams, likely for upcoming lamella support installation. Additionally, scaffolding is being assembled in the remaining open section of south goal. This area is the last pending zone for prefabricated seating installation, and current activity suggests preparation for final completion. A new lamella has been lifted into position, marking continued progress in façade installation. The lower and middle levels of lamellas are now completed, while work has begun on the upper level. Installation speed has noticeably improved, with teams efficiently positioning and securing panels. Protective coverings are visible on base lamellas, while newly installed red panels show varying tonal finishes. Flooring and guardrails have been fully installed on multiple elevated platforms in the corner section. These structures now appear complete and ready for operational use, supporting ongoing installation work above. Additional compression ring segments and large structural beams have been delivered to the site. This continuous supply of materials indicates sustained momentum in upper structural assembly. Significant progress is visible in the lateral section, where workers are actively installing anchor points for lamella supports. Multiple anchors are already in place across different sections, with more being added using elevated platforms. This marks a key step toward expanding lamella installation across the stadium. A concrete pump is positioned on site, with a column fully prepared for pouring. Workers are active around the formwork, suggesting imminent concrete operations to advance vertical structural elements. In the north goal, preparation for lamella installation is accelerating. Anchors and guidelines are being installed across the structure, supported by multiple elevated platforms. This area is expected to receive its first lamellas soon, marking the next phase of façade expansion. Additional activity includes welding work on seating support beams and handling of heavy cable rolls. While less dense than other areas, steady progress continues in structural and utility installations. Diagonal cross-bracing elements are being installed within square structural frames, strengthening the framework of elevator and access cores. New components are also being lifted into place, indicating continuous assembly in this zone. Sandwich panels in the tribuna section are now fully installed. Metal elements have been added in front of selected panels, possibly for reinforcement or future attachments. Protective anti-corrosion coating is being applied across bolts and structural joints, progressing steadily across this section. Workers are actively installing metal connectors behind beams to support future lamella structures. A large vertical pipe structure is also visible, adding to the evolving framework. In the final corner area, anchor preparation for lamellas continues, though some sections remain incomplete. Anti-corrosion coating is also being applied to structural brackets, with significant work still required across upper tiers. Construction across Camp Nou is advancing at a strong pace, with simultaneous progress in lamella installation, compression ring assembly, structural reinforcement, and finishing works. The increasing workforce activity and material flow suggests that the project is entering a more accelerated and coordinated phase.